In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search eBay like a pro using Boolean logic. Whether you're a vintage collector, a serious sneakerhead, or just someone looking to snag the best deal, mastering Boolean logic will make your searches much more efficient, saving you both time and effort. First, let's head over to ebay.com and pull up the search bar, your gateway to millions of listings. Once you're there, you'll want to use quotation marks around the phrases that need precision and accuracy. For instance, if you're set on finding the latest model of the iPhone 14 Pro and you don't want any surprises, simply type iPhone 14 Pro with those quotes right in. This tells eBay's search engine to look specifically for that exact phrase, eliminating results that might stray into parts or accessories only tangentially related to your item of desire. Now imagine you're looking for laptops, but you'd like to leave your options open. This is where using the keyword OR can really expand your reach. Let's say you don't mind a laptop or a notebook. Just type in laptop OR notebook. This clever use of Boolean logic enables eBay to sift through listings that might use one term or the other, capturing more possibilities that match your search criteria. On the other hand, there will be times you need to declutter your results by excluding certain words. In situations like this, the humble dash or minus sign will become your best friend. For example, if you're on the hunt for headphones but detest the wireless kind, you should type in headphones, wireless. This way, all the Bluetooth and cable-free options will neatly disappear from your list, leaving you with wired possibilities that you prefer. Now, let's bring it all together for more complex searches. Suppose you're on the lookout for either a pair of Nike shoes or Adidas sneakers, but decidedly not for kids. Here's how to get such a nuanced outcome. Enter Nike shoes or Adidas sneakers, kids. Surround your definite wants with those quotation marks, string them together with OR, and dash away what's not needed. Once you've hit enter, feel free to refine your search results further by toggling through eBay's filtering options. You can adjust for price range, location, or the condition of the items, narrowing down the results to find exactly what you're after. By employing these techniques, you'll navigate eBay's expansive listings far more efficiently. Not only will you gain control over what you see, but you'll also enhance your capacity to find precisely what you need without getting lost in a sea of irrelevant results. Thank you for joining me, and happy hunting on your eBay adventures.